ZANU-PF's civil restructuring exercise in Masvingo province has come under fire amid allegations of sex scandals and nepotism, casting a shadow over the party's grassroots mobilization efforts. Samina mashoko onzi ZANU-PF kwangoitwa zvebunjoro chete. Vanhu panguva ino they are not focusing nebusiness nekuona kuti nyika yeZimbabwe iri kuprogress achienda mberi. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tinazvimba mabudanyiro achiti according to highly placed party insiders, the restructuring process meant to rejuvenate ZANU-PF's structures ahead of future electoral campaigns has been marred by favoritism and abuse of power. The whole process has been punctuated by favoritism, one source claimed. There are serious allegations of people using their positions to appoint friends and relatives into key structures, while others have been using the exercise to exploit junior members sexually. The allegations have sparked concern among some rank and file members who fear the credibility of restructuring efforts of being undermined from within. Despite the internal backlash, ZANU-PF's Masvingo leadership insists that the process is progressing well. The ongoing civil restructuring exercise will leave the party stronger, united and more viable and more visible. It allows our leadership to interact directly with the people, understand their needs, and mobilize support around key development programs. We are calling for transparent and honest work during the civil restructuring exercise. This is a critical time for our party to build a solid base, ZANU-PF Masvingo said. As the restructuring continues across Masvingo, the party leadership will be hoping to contain the controversy and refocus attention on its development and mobilization goals. However, insiders warn that failure to address the alleged misconduct could fuel growing disillusionment within the party ranks. Domashwa buda panguva ino kunzi aiwa kuMasvingo panguva ino mudhuri pa ZANU-PF hakuna zviri kuitwa uko. Vanhu vari kuuya vachiisana pazvigaro due to favoritism, vamwe due to cronism, vamwe nokuda kwema-sexual relations. Pane comment section medu muzomafungiro enyu, subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.